In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Rocket League latency, variation, and lag. So first, you want to go here and type in run, type %temp%, delete all of these folders. These are unnecessary, and just delete all of them. Then go to this PC, C drive, Windows. Here you will go to prefetch. So let's see if I can find it. Prefetch. Then select everything and then delete. Then go to this cleanup. Select everything here and then click delete. Click OK. After this, you want to go here and type in device manager. And go to display adapters and make sure you update your drivers to the latest version. So click next and this will update them. So once done, you want to check if there's any errors with the game's servers. So write like is Rocket League down. Now you'll get websites like these. So if the game servers are down, then you will be able to tell from these websites. You'll see spikes like this, and they will tell you if there's like lag or like latency variation. So if that's the case, then you just have to wait until they fix the servers and you should be good. Next thing you want to do is open CMD, run as administrator. Here you want to type in these commands: ipconfig/renew, then ipconfig/DNS, and then lastly match winsock reset. Once you do this, you should be good.